Good morning. I'm Rakesh of second year BA Defense. Here I am going to talk about NSG, full form of NSG, National Security Guard. The motto of NSG, Savitrom Suraksha. The National Security Guard is an allied counter-terrorism unit under the Ministry of Home Affairs. The NSG prime duty is to provide the best security and safety for its country borders as well as the people inside the borders. Formation of NSG. It was formed on 15 October 1984 following Operation Blue Star, Golden Temple attack and the assassination of Indira Gandhi for combating terrorist activities and it protect the state against internal disturbance. Types. The NSG is divided into two groups, SAG and SRG. SAG is Special Action Group, SRG Special Raid Group. SAG it is a special response unit of the NSG with the offensive wing. SRG it is a defensive wing that is tasked for counter-terrorist and counter-insurgency operations and also deals with anti-hijacking. Nature. The NSG is trained to conduct counter-terrorist tasks on including counter-hijacking tasks on the land, sea and air, bomb disposal, PBI and hostage rescue missions. The NSG's commandos are ranked among top 10 special forces in the entire world. The NSG are often referred to in the media as Black Cat. This is because of black uniform. Major operation by NSG. Operation Black Thunder 1986 1 and 2. The Black Cats were sent to storm the Golden Temple in Amritsar in 1986, in which around 300 militants were captured, and in 1988 operation where 40 terrorists were killed. Operation Ashmed in 1993. The NSG commandos were destroyed to rescue hostage from a hijacking Indian airline flight with 144 passengers in board. Operation Black Tornado and Operation Cyclone in 2008. During the 26th November terrorist attack, the NSG commandos killed 9 terrorists and rescued over 600 hostages. Pathankot attack in 2016. An NSG team took part in the operation to neutralize terrorists, where Lieutenant Colonel Niranjan lost his life and 6 terrorists were killed. Weapons. They use the finest of weapons available including Heckler and Koch. They include the MP5 9mm submachine gun, Glock pistol and snipers. To remain in the force, the target striking rate had to be not less than 85%. Salary. Commando earn an average of Rs 10 lakhs, mostly ranging from 10 lakhs per year based on profile. Training. Selection is demanding and has a dropout rate of 70 to 80%. 3 of the 14 months of the training are devoted to the basis. Physical fitness training has 26 elements ranging for a cross-country obstacle course. To jump from height and cross divides and scaling different kind of grounds. One endurance test involves martial arts training, target shoot and end an obstacle ridden cross country run. The candidate performed under a condition of stress and exhaustion. Those who have successfully completed the test are sent for the 9 months advanced training. The training include learning to conduct urban counter-terrorism, underwater operation, house interventions, counter and anti-drone operations, bomb detections and disposable skills, apart from various other specializations. They are trained to take headshots that two at a time, and an average commandos fires 14,000 rounds over a period of 2 months during the practice section. After successfully completing the rigorous training, commandos based upon the forces, they may work for 3 or 5 years to serve the country wearing black uniform. Thank you. Jai Hind.